Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we spend time perfecting our selfie, applying filters, adjusting the lighting, getting everything just right. You tap the save button, the process only spins and then nothing happens. The photo doesn't appear in your gallery at all. It's like your edit vanished into thin air. This is incredibly frustrating, but it's usually a permissions issue or a storage problem. Your phone might not be giving FaceApp the right to write files to your camera roll, or your device might be running out of space. So let's get your edit saving properly. And of course, fast and easy as usual. First and first, we need the storage permission as you see here. FaceApp needs permission to save photos to your device. Go to Android, go to Settings, Apps, FaceApp, Permissions, or you can easily long press the app here, tap on Info, and make sure the permissions for files and media is set to low. Then go to iPhone, to Settings again, Privacy and Security, look for Photos, find FaceApp and then search has read and write access. Okay, so if it's set to none or add only, change it to access. Also check the device storage space. If your phone storage is completely full, no app can save new files. Go to Settings, Storage, and check how much free space we have. If it's in the red, it's basically less than 1 GB. Delete some unused apps, all videos or any large files to free up space. Then save to device, not share directly. Also try to update the app or reinstall it in the worst case scenario. That's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.